Hello everyone, my name is TK and today I'm going to show you how to browse unlimited internet service for free using Orange SIM card. So this works for Orange Cameroon. So the very first thing you need to do is that you need to have money, Orange money account, say from 300 francs to 2,300 francs in your mobile Orange money account. So the first thing you have to do is actually to go to Orange Money, dial the Orange Money code, and you select the bundle which suits you more. Internet option 2. Then you have 2,300, you have 850, you have 300 francs. So it depends on the number of days you want to have free internet service, because when you subscribe for any of these, once your data finishes maybe in 10 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, you can still have unlimited free internet service for that period of time that you subscribe. If you subscribe for 10 days data, you have unlimited free data for 10 days. If you subscribe for 2,300 and you finish your 4 GB, 4.5 GB in one day, you can still have unlimited internet for the remaining 29 days. So that's the advantage of using this service. So you select whichever one suits you. Maybe I've selected 850. You put in your password. From there you subscribe for Orange service. But I've already done my own subscription, so I don't have any money in my Orange money. And when you go now to your, if you check my Orange money balance, I've already consumed all of my data, but I still browse for free. So check Orange money balance. I think Orange data balance, I think this is the code. You see that my internet account balance is 000. It just shows dash dash dash. I don't have any balance internet data bundle, any data in my Orange money account. But look, I still browse for free. You see, so you see, I'm just browsing for free at very high speed. You can see my connection is very high, the signal is very high. I can browse YouTube as I want. I can download some enough videos, movies as I want. So at this stage it's really cool. And the other advantage is that with this internet service you can actually share your data. You can share your data to other people. You can share your data to your other computers, but that will be on my next video. So the very first thing you have to do after you subscribe is actually go to Google search. Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. You search TLS tunnel. So you can actually see I've already downloaded TLS tunnel. So the only thing you have to do is just to open it. You have to import the configuration. I already have the configuration in my Google Drive. So just go to my Google Drive and download it for free. Once you've downloaded it, just go to open TLS tunnel and import the configuration. That's what you have to do. You have to actually import the configuration. So click on these three small dots at the top right corner of the app. You go to import and choose import configuration. So wherever you downloaded it into your drive, whatever location, you have to look for it. So my own is in download folder. So here we go. The first one, config. You choose configuration. So if you are in southwest region like Boya, I'll advise you to select UK3. UK3 is actually fast. But if you are in Yaoundé and Douala under high coverage, you can just use automatic. But otherwise, the app will search the best network for you. So I'll select automatic and start. So now you come to the lock. You see how the VPN is working now. Currently I have no data in my account. I have no data in my Orange account, so I'm actually browsing for free. Sometimes it takes some short period of time, then it connects. If it doesn't connect, you just stop. You select a preferable one. So on the list of available servers, you see Canada, you have 4 hours to browse. UK have 4 hours to browse. But the advantage is that in any of these, even this one that expired, the advantage is that you can actually extend the internet time by watching some short ads for maybe 10 seconds. You watch ads, you extend your time to maybe 24 hours, 10 hours, depending on your patience. So since I have free 4 hours, I'll select DE1. Let me just select DE1 and start. So I check now, it's already connected that fast. So I'm connected now to Germany. At this stage now, just my whole phone is already connected to the internet. So to be sure, I go back to YouTube. Let me reload YouTube. Let me reload to YouTube. You see that it's actually really speeding. You see how it's very fast. You can watch unlimited internet. My best video while in out. You can watch your video.
Easily run your business cloud applications with Droplets, a scalable compute platform with add-on storage.
This is how you can actually obtain free internet service.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
You can watch unlimited videos as you want. You can even download films or download other videos. You can download. You have unlimited downloads. Let me go to Facebook and show you. See how fast it is. Orange is, everything is just fast and snappy. So currently that's how it goes. So I've been using this free data service for this is the third month. The third month I started using it since. So I said, why not share with my friends in Cameroon to see how you can enjoy your free data bundle. I know some of you are tired of paying for data service, keep paying for internet, you pay for internet and you keep having limits. This one you can browse for the whole day without no problem. So the last reminder I have to give you guys is, once you realize that the internet is not going through anymore, you come back to your TLS tunnel, you stop the VPN, you come now and select server. So you see how errors are showing, some are okay, but you just reload the thing and the thing will restore and you're fine. So let me just show you how to actually extend your time. So like for example, I'm in UK 2. I'll just click on that time, 44 hours, and I'll extend my time. They say watch a short ad, so you just watch a short ad. Addition of 5 hours of free browsing. So that's the advantage. The longer the ads, the more time you have to browse for free. So, and I'm done. I just they renew my access. So you can realize that you see that at UK 2 I have 12 hours. I've extended my time up to 12 hours. I can browse now for the whole day. Just let UK 2 and start. Then you come and go to log. You see how far I'm already connected. And let me go to YouTube again. Refresh. See how it works. Very fast. So my dear friends in southwest region, in Boya, anywhere, Yaoundé, Cameroon, anywhere you are, this is the best method to browse for free. My dear friends, is browse for free. You can download films as you want, you can watch movies as you want. So nonetheless, this works for all Android phones. All Android phones. There's no limit. All Android phones you have, if you have any Android phone, you just follow the steps, procedure which I showed you, and you're good to go. Sorry iPhone users, this configuration is not for you. Sorry. So my next video, I'll actually I'll show you how to share this data to computers and other phones. You can share data now to any computer and to any smartphone, being in an iPhone or an Android phone. You can share the data to and browse for free, man. Browse for free the whole day. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more free data configuration. If you have any questions, just comment in the section down below, and I'll promise to reply you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Goodbye.